fellow aligner providers and dental colleagues. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I feel so blessed and privileged to have so much incredible feedback from fellow professionals. Had a really good question come through the other day, which is, can you explain what practices do when it comes to the treatment coordinating aspect or the brokerage part? And can you explain a practice that does a good job and a practice that does a bad job? Brilliant question. So let's just assume we've got to the point where we have someone in the practice, in the chair, we've gone through the whole process and they're keen to go ahead. The question now is, how are we going to finance this? Practices who do badly at this, firstly, they print out a really complicated treatment plan with confusing words. Practices who do really well on a cloud-based software produce a really simple, easy to understand treatment plan with non-dental words. They pop it onto a CliniPad and the patient is able to sign it and they get the email straight away. The next thing that happens at a practice that does a bad job is the patient says, I'd like some kind of financing. So out comes paperwork and they're asking people to fill out the forms. At a slick practice, they have a financing system, which means literally as the patient is talking, the nurse is able to fill out some details, send a link, and at that very second, bing, an SMS is on their phone with a link to do instant online financing. Because if you think about today's world of instant quotes, instant, quick, convenient, the idea that we're going to give someone some paperwork like a mortgage application and go off is a bit insane. Practices who don't do a good job very often just hand out a treatment plan, piece of paper, some financing on a piece of paper and say to the patient, here you go mate, good luck. Those who understand the journey, they then ask that patient about how they're going to finance, what the next steps are, and they would actually tour guide them, take them to reception, get the deposits made, get the appointments done properly. So what we're seeing is a clear divide between practices who are able to understand that your patients want ease, simplicity, and convenience, and those who, well, I'm sure the story speaks for itself. So guys, I hope you've got some valuable gems from practices who do really well with helping their patients to find the right options and to make treatment really affordable. So guys, if you have enjoyed today, please like, please share. Let's get the word out there and let's collectively unleash our potential. Thanks a lot. Bye.